Have you ever wondered how probiotics contribute to your health? Let's embark on this journey to unravel the mystery of these tiny yet powerful entities. Probiotics, in simple terms, are live microorganisms that may provide health benefits when taken in appropriate amounts. Think of them as the friendly forces within your gut, working round the clock to boost your health and wellness. These microscopic soldiers have been the subject of many health claims. Some argue that they improve or restore the gut microbiota, the community of microorganisms that inhabit our intestines. This in turn could lead to various health benefits, such as improved digestion, enhanced immune function, and even better mental health. However, like every good story, the tale of probiotics is not without its plot twists. While they are generally considered safe to consume, probiotics could cause bacteria-host interactions and even unwanted side effects in rare cases. This is similar to inviting a guest into your home. Most of the time the visit goes smoothly, but occasionally it might not go as planned. What's more, the health benefits associated with probiotics are still under investigation. While some studies suggest potential benefits, others argue that the evidence is not sufficient to support many of the health claims made about them. This has led to a lively debate in the scientific community about the true role and potential of these microorganisms. So, you see, the world of probiotics is a fascinating one, filled with potential, but also shrouded in mystery. It's a world where tiny organisms could hold the key to our health, yet we're still trying to unlock their secrets. As we continue to explore and understand these microscopic wonders, one thing is clear: they have a significant role to play in our bodies. So let's delve into the fascinating world of probiotics and their role in our bodies. Let's unravel the mystery together, one tiny microorganism at a time. Probiotics aren't a modern invention. Their discovery dates back to 1905. Now journey with me back to the early 20th century, to the time when the first probiotic was discovered. Picture this: a Bulgarian physician and microbiologist, Stamen Grigorov, stumbles upon a certain strain of bacillus in Bulgarian yogurt. This strain was later named Lactobacillus bulgaricus, the first ever probiotic. Grigorov's discovery was monumental, but the theory behind probiotics consumption wasn't fully formed until a few years later by a Russian Nobel laureate, Elie Mechnikov. Mechnikov observed that Bulgarian peasants who regularly consumed yogurt tended to live longer, healthier lives. He hypothesized that the live microorganisms in the yogurt were positively influencing their health, which led him to the concept of probiotics. Imagine the excitement of these early researchers, discovering these tiny, invisible organisms that had the potential to significantly impact human health. Probiotics were a groundbreaking discovery, opening a whole new world of possibilities for health and longevity. However, it wasn't all smooth sailing. The scientific community was understandably skeptical. After all, the idea of ingesting live bacteria for health benefits sounded counterintuitive, even radical. This skepticism fueled further research, pushing scientists to delve deeper into the world of these microorganisms, their benefits, and potential risks. Over the years, probiotics have been the subject of numerous studies and research endeavors, constantly evolving our understanding of these fascinating microorganisms. The results have been mixed, with some studies showing promising health benefits, while others reveal potential risks and side effects. Despite the controversy, interest in probiotics has continued to grow, leading to the development of a booming probiotics market. This has necessitated stricter scientific substantiation for claims of health benefits, ensuring that probiotics are not just a fad, but a scientifically backed aspect of health and wellness. The discovery of probiotics sparked a new interest in the benefits of these microorganisms. From the Bulgarian yogurt that started it all to the probiotic supplements on our shelves today, the journey of probiotics is a testament to human curiosity, scientific progress, and our ongoing quest for health and longevity. The growing market for probiotics has not been without controversies. As probiotics have gained popularity, the market has expanded rapidly, and with it, a wave of commercialization has swept the field. Companies are keen to capitalize on the health-conscious consumers' interest in these beneficial bacteria. But as with any burgeoning market, there are pitfalls to navigate, and in the case of probiotics, these are largely centered around scientific substantiation and regulation. An array of health benefits are touted by manufacturers of probiotic products, They promise to reduce gastrointestinal discomfort, improve immune health, relieve constipation, and even help you avoid the common cold. But here's the crux of the controversy. Many of these claims are not backed by robust scientific evidence. The need for scientific substantiation of the benefits attributed to probiotics has become increasingly significant. The market is flooded with claims that, while attractive to consumers, may not hold water when scrutinized by science. And this is where regulatory bodies come into play. In the United States, for instance, deceptive advertising is prohibited by the Federal Trade Commission. If a company can't provide sufficient scientific evidence to support their claims, they face regulatory action. This has led to a stricter requirement for scientific authentication of the supposed benefits conferred by these microorganisms. Across the pond in Europe, the situation is quite similar. The European Food Safety Authority has rejected a number of applications for approval of health claims by manufacturers of probiotic dietary supplements. The reason? Insufficient evidence of beneficial mechanism or efficacy. The commercialization of probiotics, while offering potential benefits to consumers, has been marred by these controversies. The challenge lies in ensuring that the claims made by manufacturers are not just marketing ploys, but are rooted in solid scientific research. So, while probiotics can have benefits, it's important to understand that not all claims are scientifically proven. So, what exactly are probiotics? Well, let's break it down. The word probiotic itself comes from the Greek words pro and biotic, which translate to for life. Aptly so, as probiotics are indeed for life, or rather for the enhancement of life. According to the World Health Organization, probiotics are defined as live microorganisms which, when administered in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit on the host. To put it simply, probiotics are beneficial bacteria and yeasts that play a pivotal role in our health. Now you might be wondering, bacteria, aren't those harmful? Normally, when we think of bacteria, we associate them with diseases and infections. But here's the twist: not all bacteria are harmful. In fact, our body is a complex ecosystem that houses trillions of bacteria, both beneficial and harmful. These beneficial bacteria, or probiotics, contribute to our well-being in numerous ways. They reside primarily in our gut, forming a protective community known as the gut microbiota. Probiotics maintain a delicate balance in our gut, keeping the harmful bacteria in check. When this balance is disturbed, say due to illness or the use of antibiotics, probiotics help restore the equilibrium. Probiotics are also renowned for their role in digestion. They assist in breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, ensuring that our body gets the nourishment it needs. Moreover, they play a significant role in supporting our immune system, warding off potential threats. Despite their microscopic size, probiotics pack quite a punch when it comes to our health. Whether it's fortifying our immune system, aiding digestion, or maintaining the balance of our gut microbiota, probiotics prove to be our silent guardians. However, it's important to remember that they need to be administered in adequate amounts to be effective. Too little may not confer any substantial health benefits, while too much could potentially lead to undesirable side effects. In essence, probiotics are beneficial bacteria that can help us when consumed in the right amounts. So, the next time you enjoy a serving of yogurt or a spoonful of sauerkraut, remember, you're not just feeding yourself, you're also nourishing your army of beneficial bacteria. Let's recap what we've learned about probiotics. These living microorganisms, often found in fermented foods like yogurt, have been a part of our diets for centuries. It was the Bulgarian physician and microbiologist, Stamen Grigorov, who first discovered a probiotic strain, Lactobacillus bulgaricus, in Bulgarian yogurt in 1905. The modern-day theory of probiotics was later developed by Russian Nobel laureate, Ilya Mechnikov, who suggested that Bulgarian peasants lived longer due to their yogurt consumption. Probiotics, as defined by the World Health Organization, are live microorganisms which, when administered in adequate amounts, confer a health benefit on the host. They are believed to improve or restore the gut microbiota, offering potential health benefits. These benefits, however, are still under rigorous scientific scrutiny. Some evidence suggests that probiotics can aid certain conditions, but the evidence for many of the health benefits claimed is still sparse. The increasing popularity of probiotics has led to a surge in the probiotics market. With this growth, however, comes a need for stricter scientific substantiation of the health benefits claimed by these products. While many probiotic products are marketed with claims of reducing gastrointestinal discomfort, improving immune health, relieving constipation, or avoiding the common cold, it's crucial to remember that these claims are not always supported by scientific evidence. In fact, deceptive advertising of such claims is prohibited in the United States by the Federal Trade Commission. And many health claims by European manufacturers of probiotic dietary supplements have been rejected by the European Food Safety Authority due to insufficient evidence of beneficial mechanism or efficacy. In conclusion, while probiotics are generally safe to consume and may offer some health benefits, it's important to approach their use with a discerning eye. Always look for scientific substantiation of health claims and be aware of potential bacteria-host interactions and unwanted side effects. Remember, while probiotics can be beneficial, it's essential to approach their use with a discerning eye.